Hey guys, it's Will down here at Midland Honda, gonna be the certified Honda technician, giving you guys a quick sneak peek on this 2017 Honda Civic that's about to hit the lot. Starting off, I would like to point out that this is a 6-speed manual, so definitely more of a rare vehicle. Cool one to own. And the stock number is 24-154A. So starting off underneath the hood here, we do have a 2-liter with, again, the 6-speed manual transmission. Just over 150,000 kilometers on it, so definitely in very good shape. I'll give you a quick view underneath the vehicle here. Definitely in very good shape. Definitely well undercoated as well. While I was in here for some safety work, it did receive brand new brakes, sitting at 100% pad life left, as well as tires. Definitely brand new, and sitting at 100% tread life left. All maintenance is up to date. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to one of the sales representatives down here at Midland Honda. The stock number is 24-154A. Thanks again.